You think it was easy for you, or it's very hard to become an entrepreneur as a first generation immigrant from India?
I think there is a certain perception of what an entrepreneur and the freedom that it brings. Actually, it brings in more stress in your life. That's why I have color in my hair right now. It works for me. It doesn't work for everyone else. It involves a lot of risk taking. It, you have to get out of your comfort zone. uh, are you okay with not getting a paycheck every 2 months? You have to solve for the math and the savings and living in an expensive world. So you call it the golden handcuffs, right? So it gives you the freedom, but then you have to work more to earn very less in the beginning. Does it pay off? Not always, right? So it might take you second, third, fourth startup. So can you sustain that? Do you have the mental strength to sustain that? I always say you have to assimilate. You have to hang on to your identity, but you also have to understand how business is done, and and if you do a business if you do business in a different way that is perceived negative, that is you're not going to last well. You can be aggressive, but you don't have to. You can't be breaking rules out here.
Right. Thank you.